Here's my neighbor Colton, shooting the Ruger American for the first time. Having a good time. He's got good young eyes. It's funny, you can hear the bullet impact. Yeah, you're laying them in there. I didn't realize this camera zooms so well. Got a real nice group going. Got a nice trigger, doesn't it?
Yeah, it feels nice. You got 3-pound pole.
Yeah, and it's adjustable too. You could even make it lighter.
Really?
Yeah, see, you didn't count.
It was off.
You don't have any rifles yet, huh?
No, I just have my 9mm. I just got that last month.
Well, you do now. Happy birthday. That's your birthday present. I'm giving you your first rifle. And I think your girlfriend will enjoy shooting it.
Are you being serious?
I'm serious. Happy birthday whenever.